Hello dear readers, hello dear subscribers. I'm very excited today to share a new solo exhibition that we present with the CAI Gallery program. It is a solo show, Chromatic Pulse by Aron Barath. And we're currently presenting 5 new works by the artist that I'm very thrilled to share with you today. His paintings can be described as blasts of color, bursting with energy, vitality, joy and relief, never failing to have a direct impact on the artist upon finishing the artwork and also on the viewer when beholding it. An instant hit of dopamine, accelerating our pulse, filling us with ardor. Over the past decade, his methodology has persistently employed a combination of 2 enthralling layers, a base layer, often consisting of a flat plane or color gradient, and a gestural, one would almost say sensual, top layer. He suggests depth and movement through his linear or reflective gradients, versus the impenetrable flatness of opaque color fields. He strolls from one side of the color wheel to the other, playing with the viscosity of his gestural motifs, interacting with the base layer as it shines through in the transparent zones, and disappears where the paint is brought together, resting thickly as if it is in a temporal state of inactivity. The gesture moves vertically and horizontally, shifting from edge to edge, marked by pauses and peaks, producing a rhythm that recalls the human pulse. Two-tone paintings are typically executed in quasi-complementary colors, as is the case with his triadic color palette when using 3 tones to create maximum impact, pushing the experience of pigment and radiancy in painting to new heights, where the painting itself almost starts to feel otherworldly, as if digital. An experience of color that transcends our normal experience of color, before anchoring in reality once more, and the analog, through the luscious use of texture, paint splashes, and the liquid movement of the paint itself. The exhibition will run until January 18, and I very much welcome everyone to go to contemporaryartshoot.com, go to the gallery part, the exhibitions where we have Chromatic Pulse completely available online. So all the installation views, the press release, but also the works that are currently available, not only more pictures of every single exhibited work, but also further details concerning its availability and pricing. I've been following the artist for a very, very long time, and I think I have been working with Aron since 2021, since that exhibition, that duo show in Kortrijk. If you have any further questions about the artist, about his work, or about the show, then definitely do not hesitate to either comment on this video or simply to write me at the general email address info@contemporaryartshoot.com, and I'll happily assist you further. To conclude, thank you Aron for this terrific show, for these terrific works. Very, very happy to have them. They truly lift one's spirit to have a little bit color in life, even in the most grimmest days, which in Belgium is often the case. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to watch our video on our previous solo exhibition with the CAI program, Maya Makino Out of Focus, of which we have still 2 works available. So feel free to have a look at that show next. Support us on Patreon, and please consider subscribing to stay posted for more contemporary art. Bye.